Recover ChatGPT account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover ChatGPT account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To recover our ChatGPT account, you can open up the ChatGPT application. Now let's say you don't remember your login details when you go to the login button over here. So what do you do if you want to reset it, right? Now if you want to reset it, first of all, make sure to enter your email address and tap on continue. It will ask us to enter the password, but we don't remember the password, so we will just tap on the forgot password button here. Now it will send a reset link to our email address, so you can tap on continue. And once it sends a reset link, all we have to do is simply open up our mailbox, and once we open up our mail, we will receive an email from ChatGPT, and from here which will give us the option to reset our password. So this way you can go ahead and then recover your ChatGPT account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.